we are going to see the measures of central tendency, arithmetic mean. Now what is central tendency? Then what is the definition, basic definition or basic formula for arithmetic mean for individual data? That I have taken in last video. Okay. And the link is given in the description box. Now today we are going to see first the arithmetic mean for discrete frequency distribution. First we need the data should be discrete, then frequency is given to us. Okay, and with a slight change we have the formula for discrete frequency distribution. So first we'll see how the frequency or data is here. For x values, x variable, we have some values of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, correct? And for the frequency, for the respective values, we have given the frequency. We have given the frequency in terms of f1, f2, f3, f4 and f5. Okay. What we need to do for the formula is xi into fi. What is the meaning? Xi into fi. It means when you take x1, take f1. Okay. And find the multiplication x1, f1. When you take x2, find the multiplication x2, f2. If you take x3, for x4 and for x5. Okay. So basically the formula to find out the mean for discrete frequency distribution is summation xi into fi. I is from 1 to n. Okay. 1 to n means how many observations are here? N observations here are n observations divided by total of frequency. When frequency is given to us, instead of taking n, we take sum of the frequency. Now, we find here total. Add all these frequencies, you will get summation fy. Then add all these multiplication. First calculate the multiplication and then sum. Then find out the sum. So you will get sum of xi, fi here. Okay, for all the 5 values. Summation xi, I is from xi, fi, I is from 1 to n divided by sum of the frequency. When frequency is given to us, instead of taking simple n, we take summation of the fi. Okay, we'll see how can we calculate by using the example. Okay. So here is the example of discrete frequency distribution. The numbers are discrete. Okay, we can count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and frequency is given to us. The variable is x here. Okay, and its values x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8. 8 values we have. And respective frequency is given to us, that is 8, 10, 9, 6, 5, 4, 4, 1. Okay. Now we need to calculate when x and frequency, its respective frequency is given to us, we need to calculate arithmetic mean. Now we know the formula for discrete frequency distribution. It is summation xi, fi upon summation fi. Now what we need here? We need multiplication of xi into fi and then we sum it. Okay, and sum of frequency. Okay, so sum of this frequency we calculate here. So we can write total. In total we don't want summation of xi. Okay, so I write total there. Now I need summation of frequency in denominator. Therefore we add all these values and we get the sum as 47. When we add all these values, I will get the sum as 47. Next, I need to calculate xi into fi. First of all, calculate the multiplication. Okay, xi into fi, denoted by xi into fi. You go vertically also. Okay, so xi into fi, I just multiply first of all these values. Okay, multiply for this number. Then multiplication of 6 into 10, multiplication of 9 into 7, multiplication of 8 into 6, then multiplication of 9 into 5, 10 into 4, 11 into 4 and 12 into 1. That I will got the sum as 352. How can I find the sum? First, I multiply these two numbers. Okay? And then add all these numbers and get the sum as 352. Now, write down the formula. To find out arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to summation of xi into fi. I is from 1 to 8, you can write here. 8 values we have, therefore you can write 8. Okay, upon summation of fi, that we calculate only sum of these frequencies. I is from 1 to 8 again here. Okay, so 352 we find out for the multiplication and divided by sum of the frequency. That we got the value as 7.4894. 7.4894. You can calculate this data according to your data. Okay, if rupees is given to you, the value x variable is given to you as rupees, you can write here as 7.49 also, no problem. Okay, for up to 2 digit only we calculate the sum. Now if you see, the value is 7.49. As I said before also, in before video also I said, this value of the mean, we calculate the mean of x variable. So the answer must be in between 5 to 12. 5 to 12. And we got the answer as 7.49. It is in between 5 to 12 according to data. So mean is always concentrated at the central value or depend on the data, not exactly center value. It's depend on the data. Here it is depend on the frequency, but we got the answer for in between x values. Okay, so we got 7.49. That value is in between 5 to 12. Okay, this is all for the discrete frequency distribution, to calculate mean of discrete frequency distribution. Thank you.